First, it's important to turn off the main power supply and unplug from the main body. Then you will need to remove the electrical box cover and disconnect all connectors on the printed circuit board. Next, draw the regenerative resistance PCB assembly out of the main PCB assembly, then remove the 6 screws from the main PCB assembly. Then, remove the PRAM and the cutter drive PCB assemblies from the main PCB assembly. To reassemble your printer, simply reverse the disassembly procedures. Once your printer is back together, check the test points to see if the cables are well connected.
To test the voltage, use a multimeter.
The value needs to be 17 to 18 kiloohms.